Well, it was a very interesting panel and very interesting conference, and over those 2 days I think we heard a lot of optimism. We've heard from a lot of private equity funds who were saying that they are happy with how they are raising the financing, they are happy with the quality of the companies in which they are investing, and they are, I think, very much looking forward to continuous investments. So from their point of view, there is not so much of a worry.
I think the number of distressed deals in Central and Eastern Europe will rise over the coming months. That rise will happen in various sectors, but notably in automotive, property, fashion, retail and steel. And there are various drivers for this increase, but I would say as far as automotive is concerned, we are already seeing a downturn in Germany, and various German companies are producing spare parts in Central and Eastern Europe, and hence the crisis there will reach the lower level companies and branches as well. The real estate distressed deals will be driven by price bubble in the real estate sector. Steel is primarily driven by the declining demand for steel globally. And fashion retail is obviously caused. I mean, the distressed deals in that sector is caused by e-commerce activities and internet trading.